Alright, most likely you're watching this video because you want to learn how to make some real money, no BS, the most honest and guaranteed way to make six figures within a year. And you came to the right place. Now, this is not going to be easy. This is not a cakewalk. This is going to involve more than 40 hours a week. And if you think you can do it, then this is the video for you. Now, everyone's situation is completely different, so it's very hard to say this is perfect for your situation. But I'm just going to assume that maybe you live with your parents, maybe you live in Royal America or the city, and you have a car. If you have a car at least, and if you live in North America, or really, I guess this could work in Europe, this could work for you. Okay, so this is what I would do day one to make money. So DoorDash, guys. DoorDash. So DoorDash hourly wage. Just hear me out. So they're saying you're making about $18.18. So we're gonna also get a calculator with us as well. So let's say $18.18. Okay, so let's say we are DoorDashing, hear me out, 9 hours a day. Okay. So $163. And we're doing this 6 days a week. That means we get 1 day off. So we get $981. So let's go and see if I can draw good on my mouse. Oh my god, and $81. And we'll forget about the pennies right now. So let's go ahead and say we're going to do this for about a month. Just see how much we're going to make. All right. So almost $4,000. So so times 4 equals $3,926. $3,926. All right. Now what we need to do is we need to start a side business while we're also doing DoorDash. Now there's a lot of things you could do. You could do vending machines. We could do bounce houses. For example, where I live, it's one of the fastest growing cities in America. So there's a lot of families coming here. So they're definitely going to need some bounce houses for their kids' birthdays. So for this scenario, we'll just do that. So let's go ahead and look up, bounce house for sale. So let's go ahead and see how much we want, like a castle or something. Start off with, bounce houses. Okay. So let's see. We can sort by most popular. Can we do that? No, we can't. Honestly, let's just say we got this one right here. This looks fine. So this is about $2,500, $2,600. So $2,600. So that means we got $1,300 left. Now the plan is we're going to continue with the DoorDash grind, but we're also going to spend some money on ads. So let's just say we spent, I don't know, $500 on ads. All right, that means we have $826 left. Okay, hear me out. So let's say we get, keep in mind, this whole video is hypothetical. I'm just saying the most realistic ways to make six figures within a year. So we're in month two. So we're already getting about almost $4,000 a month on DoorDash, working over 40 hours. So with this castle grind, bounce house castle grind, let's say we get 8 bookings a month. 8 bookings a month, and they pay, I don't know, let's say $250. Right? That's $2,000, right? And how much were we making originally with DoorDash? 3,926 plus 3,926. So already together on month 2, if we got those 2 complete, we're making almost $6,000 a month. So let's see, how much is this in a year? 71 grand. Guys, we're already on path with 71 grand. And we just started 2 months. Now keep in mind, 8 bookings, you know, it could be different with the winter, summer, spring. I get that. I think 8 bookings a month is doable. That basically means you're getting, you know, Saturdays, Sundays, Fridays, you know, something like that booked. So now let's go ahead and enter another side hustle. Okay, the next side hustle I want you guys to do is document your journey on DoorDash with your bounce house grind and maybe even trying other side hustles. So you can see right here the average CPM for finance and all that stuff. It's about $12.25. Now you need to know the difference between CPM and RPM. RPM is really how much you're gonna make, and that $12 is actually really low. I've seen this over $20. So I think a realistic RPM is $14 at least, just from experience. So let's go ahead and say you upload 5 videos a month, which is honestly very doable. I mean, I've seen guys post multiple videos a day, just depending on your setup. So anyway, 20 videos a month. Oh, let's go ahead and write $2,000 from the bounce house grind. Now, guys, I get this. This is more than 40 hours a week. Just hear me out on this. Just hear me out on this. Let's go ahead and put a B. Oh my God, this is a bad B. Please ignore my handwriting. I'm just going to say bounce house 2000. And then let's go ahead and put DD for DoorDash. That's a really bad D. All right. So anyway, let's go back to the calculator. We got 20 videos a month. Let's say, this is obviously not right away, but within a year, if you're consistent, I'm pretty sure you will gain at least this amount of views. Let's say you average 3,000 views per video, right? 60,000 views. Now, how YouTube pays you is per 1,000 views. So let's go ahead and divide it by 1,000. And our CP or our RPM, I was suggesting is 14. So that's $840. So let's go ahead and add an extra 8. And this is kind of low. This is kind of low. I think you can do way better, but this is just on the low end. All right, from YouTube, 840. Now, if you're averaging 3,000 views, you're gonna get sponsors. It's not too hard to get sponsors if you can get 3,000 views, especially in the finance realm. So let's say on the low end, let's say you're getting paid $200 per video. All right, and that's actually very easily done with 3,000 views in the finance space. So let's say you do 2 sponsored videos per month. So times 2 times 4, because it's about 4 weeks. That's an extra $1,600, guys. $1,600. So I'm just gonna put this right here. 1,600, and we'll put S for sponsor. So let's go ahead and add all this up right now. Let's go ahead all this up. And honestly, this could be done right here in just a few months. This is not even a year. This is a few months. So 3926, 2,000 from the bounce house business. Okay. Okay, 840 on YouTube from just ad revenue. Okay. And then an extra $1,600 from sponsorship. Okay. Right there. 8,366, and I'm pretty sure that's already 6 figures. Yep, pretty much on the dot at 6 figures. That's a quick speed run on the spot of how you can make 6 figures pretty quickly. Obviously, this involves a lot of work. It's easier said than done. Don't let this fool you. You need to put a lot of work on DoorDash, which alone could break some people. You gotta make the YouTube videos. You gotta, set up the bounce houses. You gotta get the sponsorships and all that. But if you continue with this plan, don't worry. You can eventually put less hours in DoorDash into, you can scale the bounce house business, and then you can scale the YouTube, And then, you know, you can do other side hustles like real estate, vending machines, or, you know, there's so many. There's so many things you can do out there. But that's a quick speed run of how to make six figures. Obviously, you got to put in more than 40 hours a week. You're probably realistically putting like 70, 80. But if you really want it, you can do it. Guys, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe right now. I'm going to show you all the best financial advice that you're going to see on YouTube. I'm not a financial advisor. This is technically not financial advice, but my tips will probably help you out more than anybody else. Until then, see you guys next time.